Today, I'm making a one-pan magic frozen berry cobbler. No bowls, no mixing, and no thawing the fruit. Everything goes straight into the pan, and it bakes into buttery layers with juicy berries underneath. Stick around to see why this simple method works every time. Let's get started. Start by placing 1 stick of unsalted butter in the baking dish and letting it melt in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This melted butter will form the base for our cobbler. 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt evenly over the melted butter. Don't mix. This is the key to creating those magical layers as it bakes. Next, slowly pour 1 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract over the top. Scatter 4 cups of frozen mixed berries evenly on top. You'll notice I'm not mixing the batter, and that's the magic. As it bakes, the batter rises through the melted butter while the frozen berries release their juices, creating natural layers and a crisp, buttery crust. That's what gives this one-pan cobbler its signature texture. Then sprinkle the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of cornstarch. This keeps the filling thick and luscious. And zest of 1/2 lemon over the berries. For an extra touch, I'm sprinkling sugar for a classic crunch. Bake until the top is golden and the berry juices are bubbling at the edges. Fresh out of the oven, the cobbler is golden and bubbling, with juicy berries breaking through the buttery crust. The smell alone is irresistible. This is pure comfort in a pan. Let the cobbler rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the filling to thicken and makes serving easier. You can enjoy it warm with ice cream, whipped cream, or even yogurt for breakfast. It's irresistible either way. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more easy, cozy recipes. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep tasting the world, one bite at a time, and I'll see you in the next video.